Hey sis, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Your go-to space for all things natural hair care, healthy hair care journey. Here I share tips, DIYs, product reviews, and real talk to help you grow, nourish, and love your hair. Don't forget to subscribe and join our hair care family because your crown deserves the best. I am the founder and owner of Henderson Organics, which is a all-natural hair care line. Every product I create is handcraft with care using high quality, natural and ethically sourced ingredients. I blend herbs and oils and botanicals that are rich in nutrients. No harsh chemicals, no filter, just pure goodness. My formulas are designed to deeply nourish, strengthen, and restore your hair natural beauty, giving you real results you can feel and see because your hair deserves nothing but the best nature has to offer. So guys, in today's video, I am taking you guys behind the scene of my small business. So today we are preparing one of our new product, which is the hot oil treatment oil blend, Nourish and Shine. So while you guys watch me package and label our new product, let me tell you guys a little about our product. This product was combined with nature's most powerful healing oils and plant like aloe vera, lavender, peppermint oil, rosemary oil to deeply nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and promote healthy hair growth from the roots to tip. So you guys know how much I love aloe vera and rosemary. So you guys know every product that I make for this entire line contains aloe vera and rosemary. So aloe vera soothes the scalp, hydrates dry strands, and reduce itchiness and irritation. So we also have lavender oil, which calms the senses while stimulating healthy hair growth and adding softness. Our hot oil blend also consists of peppermint oil, which invigorates the scalp, improves circulation, and provides a refreshing tingle. And of course, rosemary oil fights thinning, boosts hair density, and strengthens follicles naturally. We're not done yet, guys. We also have Jamaican black castor oil, which helps to grow stronger, thicker hair, locks in moisture, soothe dry, itchy scalp, and add natural shine. Pure goodness for healthy, beautiful hair. I'm still not done yet. We also have macadamia oil. And if you guys know anything about oils for hair care, you guys know macadamia oil is on top of the list. Macadamia oil is lightweight but very powerful. It adds hydration, tame frizz, adds silky shine, and helps to repair dry, damaged hair without weighing it down. And these are just some of the amazing oils that our new product contains. If you want more information, please check out our website. All the information and ingredients are listed there. So sis, if you're currently looking for an amazing products to add to your hair care routine, this product is for you. So let me remind you of the amazing benefits that you will get just by using this product consistently on your hair care journey. It promotes thicker, stronger hair growth, deeply nourishes and restores dry, brittle strands. It also adds natural shine without weighing your hair down. It also tame frizz and smooth edges, moisturize and soothe dry, itchy scalp. It also helps to reduce breakage and split ends, protect your hair from heat and environmental damage. So now that our oils are bottled up, now we're going to go ahead and label our bottles, guys. Labeling is one of the hardest things. Just know that if you get your label, you get your product and your label is a little bit lean, just know that Tamara tried her best. And the thing about this label, I cannot remove it. Once it's stick on that bottle, I cannot remove it. I used labels in the past where I could have removed it if it's not straight, but this label that I'm currently using now, the material doesn't allow me to do that. But I tried my very best to give you guys straight labels as possible. But as my business grow and progress, I will be ordering a labeling machine, and I can't wait. 1 month I make enough money to purchase a labeling machine because I spend hours on top of hours just for labeling products. Okay, so now that we went through everything you need to know about this amazing product, I know you must be wondering how should I use it or what can I use this product for? Well, let me share with you guys. Don't worry, I got you. So firstly, you can use this treatment as a scalp treatment. Apply a small amount directly to your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Massage gently for 3 to 5 minutes to boost blood circulation and stimulate growth. Two, a hot oil treatment, which is what I initially created this treatment for. All you have to do is warm the oil slightly in the microwave or on a double boiler method. Apply a generous amount to your scalp and to the length of your hair. Cover with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes or overnight, totally up to you. Rinse and then follow up with your regular wash day routine. This way is going to really nourish and heal your scalp. Three, as a daily nourishment, use a few drops on damp or dry hair to seal in moisture, reduce frizz, and add shine, especially on the ends and edges. If you love to wear protective styles like I do, this product is great for you. All you have to do is apply along the scalp and braids to keep your hair nourished underneath. As you know, you cannot neglect your hair while wearing your protective style, so get yourself one of these bad boy. Our hot oil treatment is ready, guys. Make sure you guys go on my website and stock up. Okay, as you guys can see, it's limited amount. Okay, so once I launch this product, it's launching today, so you guys better run, if it's not already sold out, better run and get your hot oil treatment. Okay, and this is infused with aloe vera. All right. So, are you ready for healthy, thick, strong, glowing hair? Shop my all natural hair care goodies at hendersonorganics.com. I promise you, your crown will thank you for it. Also, you receive 10% off your first order, so run on over, guys. Okay, guys, so as you guys can see, the hot oil treatment is ready. So we have the hot oil treatment oil blend, nourish and shine. This has Jamaican black castor oil, macadamia oil, rosemary oil. It's also infused with aloe vera, and it's 100% all natural. So guys, so this oil treatment is going to offer several benefits for your hair, including deep moisturization, improve shine, and reduce frizz by penetrating the hair shaft. The warm oil helps repair damage, strengthen strands, and prevent breakage. It can also soothe your dry, itchy scalp, promote blood circulation, and enhance overall hair health. So make sure you guys get your bottle of hot oil treatment. And here we have the length retention moisturizing hair butter, which has shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe vera, amla powder. It is 100% all natural as well. And then over here we have our bestseller. These two are our bestseller currently. This is the famous aloe vera and rosemary hair growth oil. This is what I start my business with, and you guys have been loving this. It has been helping hundreds of customers to grow their hair long, healthy, and thick. This product cannot stay in stock, so I recently restocked these. So then we have these, so we almost complete the line. And down here we have the onion hair growth oil, which is going to help with shedding, promote healthy new growth, help with dandruff and itchy scalp, help to fight scalp infection, and prevent anti-dandruff. So make sure you guys go on my website at hendersonorganics.com and stock up on your 100% all natural products that actually works. Okay.